Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how to apply press-on nails and make them last for about 2 weeks. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my file and I'm going to file around the edges of my nails. Simply file the base of your nails. You want to make sure you file it really good, so that way when you do put the nail on, it'll really adhere to your nail and it won't come off. Now that I'm done filing my nails, I am just simply going to buff out my nails, making sure all the shine is removed. Now I'm going to use the alcohol wipes and just remove all the dust from my nails. finished results, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know what other kind of videos you want to see from me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.